Hey, and welcome to this new video. Today I want to talk again about these e-paper price tags from the company called Hanshow. And I already did a video about them to explain how to flash the first firmware via a USB to serial converter like this one. And it uses a web flasher, which I did also use on the Xiaomi thermometers. But yeah, today I want to show you a first real use case of these e-paper price tags with the custom firmware that enables Bluetooth low energy on them. And yeah, also, as you can see here, a bit of info on them. One of the biggest improvements of the firmware is that you can now flash it completely over the air just by connecting via a Bluetooth low energy device to them. And you can find the OTA flasher also on the GitHub repository. Just click here at the lower link. You can then click on connect and select the correct display. It should appear in a moment. Hopefully. There it is. And yeah, click on connect, and after we have here some logs saying that it successfully found characteristics, we can work with it. In the meantime, I will open already the new firmware I want to flash. And here we can see now it's also successfully connecting to the display. You can see here the text is way too much at the top and I want it further down, so I rewrote it in the firmware and compiled it. And yeah, we'll now flash it completely over the air. We can click on send firmware. We will see a bit of logging messages here at the bottom, and then the main upload happening here at the top with a status. This is happening quite fast, as I was able to increase the MTU size from about 20 bytes to 240 bytes. And also the connection interval is set very low on over-the-air updates. So it takes about or under a minute to fully upload it. As you see here, we have a bit of ghosting. This is because we now use partial updates of the display. So every minute the screen will refresh just the part that has changed. This makes it way faster than refreshing the whole screen, and also it saves a lot of power. So here I got one display connected to the power profiler kit from Nordic, and we can see that it draws around 86 microampere with every minute partial updates. We have here now the unset time, the temperature that is read from the e-paper display itself into the TLSR main microcontroller, and also the battery voltage in millivolt. To set the time, we can now use the OTA flashing tool. Click at the top on reconnect. Wait again till the characteristic was found and click on set time. And we will see that it will refresh to the new time. And also, as you can also see, the text is now lower on the screen. You can also see that the LED is blinking every 10 seconds, and it is blinking blue when Bluetooth is connected, and is blinking green when Bluetooth is not connected. This could also be turned off, of course, if needed. But yeah, that's it so far for the news. This is quite a useful status display now. About half a year ago I made my own display with an old e-paper display, and inside it uses an 18650 battery an old NRF 52832 Bluetooth Low Energy tracker, also a fitness tracker, and yeah, this is running for this half a year about, and has still a lot of power left, but it's of course a bigger battery. And here you saw also the partial update right now. So this is quite a good replacement for this one, as this was quite a lot of work to build it up. And here you just have to reflash it, and every now and then you can get them somewhere for cheap. Okay, that's it for today.